to hold. Rest assured they won't let go. And we'll get old, but that's a little later on. Later on. Later on. Later on. Just a little later on. No one knows where this is going, and the days are getting shorter now, I swear. I was ready